Preparations are at final stage for Grand Ram Pratishtha ceremony of Ram Lala Virajman in Ayodhya, a historic one on Monday. Union Home Minister Amit Shah asserted that this country will be free from Naxalism in the next 3 years. Chief Minister Conrad K. this was a recognition of all the innovations that have been taking place not only in the state but in the states across the country. Meghalaya will be hosting the first ever international water conclave for Hill State in Shillong on February 9 and 10. In badminton, World Championship bronze medalist Indian star Shata H.S. Pranoy will take on current world number 2 and 6 seeds Chinese Yu Qixi in the men's singles semi-final at the Indian Open Super 750 tournament this afternoon.